what it is he's a very good looking fella with long blonde hair, and he's often found near the water's edge or at the bottom of a waterfall. And he plays a violin, and that's how he lures in the women. He plays it for them and they get lured in. When you're lured in by him, then when close enough, you get enchanted. So you're enchanted by this nutkin, and then he leads you down into the water and down under the water, and he drowns you. So he's pretty dark, dark spirit. But there's a good side to him for the men.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So if you are in love with a young lady and she doesn't love you back, you can go to the nutkin and ask him to enchant her for you. Yeah, so there's benefits. But the hard thing is, in order to get him to do it, you have to bring him a leg of lamb. And it can't be any leg of lamb. It has to be a leg of lamb that is stolen from your neighbour's farm.
Very specific.
Very specific. So if you don't have a neighbour with lambs, you gotta go elsewhere to get a neighbour. So she's found beside the forest's edge, and she lures in the men without a violin. She just wears very little clothing, and that seems to work every time. She lures them into a dark forest, and they're never seen again. Okay? So whether they're eaten or turned into the boyfriend, I'm not too sure. I don't know which is worse. But just watch out, guys. And there's a dead giveaway about her as well. So like the nutkin with his violin and beside the water, the, what do you call her? Hildra? Huldra? She has a cow's tail.
Okay.
So unless you're into that sort of thing, maybe stay away from it. Okay? Just a bit of a warning.